Today, we are going to fix the Microsoft VBScript runtime error problem. Let's get started. So the solution consists of two crucial steps. So for the first one, we'll need to delete the troublesome VBS files using the Windows Autoruns program. To download this program, head over to Microsoft's official website. You can find the download link in the video description below. After downloading, extract the zip file by right-clicking on it and selecting Extract All. Once that's done, you can safely delete the zip file. Now, depending on your computer's architecture, if it is 32-bit, open Autoruns, and if it's 64-bit, open Autoruns 64. So in my case, I'm on a 64-bit system, so I'll choose Autoruns 64. Right after, run the program as an administrator. There's a short scanning process that you'll need to wait for. Type VBS in search bar, then highlight and delete non-functional files. So this would be after the scan is complete. So I'll just need to type in VBS in the search bar, right click and delete the results that are highlighted in red as they indicate non-functional files. If you see files with different issues, you can also delete them in any ways. Just simply right click onto it and click on delete. Now to restore the deleted VBS files, we need to verify our system files. To do this, head to the search section and run CMD as an administrator. In the command prompt, type sfc space slash scan now and hit enter. This process may take some time as it scans for missing or corrupted system files. Once the scanning process is complete, restart your computer. After the restart, check if the problem is solved. And there you have it. I hope this guide helped you resolve the Microsoft VBS script runtime error issues. If it did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, just write it on the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.